Y'all are going to be in for a surprise. So if we actually, though, run this experiment, this is the amount of obedience we actually got.
60%.
Oh, yeah.
At what point was it that it became lethal?
I've been told that like a washing machine is 220 volts. I don't know if that's true or not. I mean, I don't even know what that is. Someone's welcome to, we do an in-class experiment. Does anybody know electricity?
I think it's 110.
110 is lethal?
No, that.
Oh, that's 110. Oh, that would make sense. But so if I stick a fork in there,
It was just shock.
it just shocked me. What about those ones, those big ones, the big thick ones?
Yeah, the ones that like up on full floor, those are two.
220? Would that kill me?
I mean,
Yeah, I'm not testing it out. What are they using? We need to find out what they're using an electric chair. How many volts? That may be
Probably 600.
I mean, 450, you're gonna feel it. Can we just all agree that,
You need to fry, like.
I thought a dryer was 220.
Because I
They
got
have
shot by a
tasers
dryer
as well.
once, and it hurt really, really bad, but it only lasted like a minute. It was like a little tingle for a minute, but like when it first hit it hurt really
But
bad.
imagine you're getting that, so you're getting it at 200, 215, 230. You're getting it, you're not just getting it once, you're getting it over and over and over. So what we can do here is we can compare what the middle class adults actually predicted with what was actually found. Why do these differ so much? And even y'all's own predictions differ. Y'all's modal response was 25%. Why do those two, what do people seem not to be aware of? That's what this entire lesson is about, authority. All of us like to think, that authority isn't affecting us as much. So what Milgram was interested in is what actually predicts obedience. I'm going to give you some traits that are going to predict obedience and let you know how the experiment turned out. In general, you get much greater obedience the further the subject removed was from the victim. Right? So in one experiment, Mr. Wallace is in another room. In one experiment, he's in the same room, and you have to actually put his hand on the shock plate. You get more obedience the further the subject is from the victim. Let's talk about what's going on in America right now with our drone program. Like it's one thing for me to say to a soldier, you have to kill the person right in front of you. What if it's someone halfway around the globe, on 1,000 feet up in the air in a drone? Might that be a little easier?
It's not personal.
Yes.
It's definitely
It's
not
not as personal anymore. The closer the authority figure, right? In some of the conditions, the authority figure was over the phone, and you got less obedience that way. The clearer the authority. Here's an interesting. See if you have to predict what's going to happen in this. So in one of the situations, let's see if y'all can do this. If y'all can make these predictions. But y'all predicted that it wouldn't stop necessarily. In fact, y'all predicted in this one that, let's see, definitely the modal response is the majority of people are going to continue on. Versus this one where the modal response is that people are going to stop. Why would you get any different in these two? Hands.
The first example, the authority figure that's saying stop is in the room with you, and the second, he's in the chamber, he's not next to you. The guy who's saying go is next to you. So
that's going to make, you could have the situation where he is in the same room.
Oh, okay.
I mean, so that's not necessary. But the real question is going to be, do you lose any authority by going and sitting in the?
Yeah. Very volunteer.
Let's do one final prediction. See if y'all can, and we'll just do this, and then we have to end. What about a situation where, okay, here we are. It's one experimenter. Here you are as the subject. Here's Mr. Wallace over here. At about 150 volts, the experimenter goes, oh, Mr. Wallace has a heart condition, we should stop. And Mr. Wallace says no. I want to show that I'm a man. How many people, what's going to happen now? Does the experimenter stop? Sorry, does the subject stop? Or does the subject go on? Same votes. A, B, C, D. So the experimenter says stop. Mr. Wallace says continue.
And this is smooth.
What?
Is that 100 will continue or 100 would stop?
You're right, that's how we. I think we did this. How many people will continue?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, you can change your vote. It'll take a second. 3, 2, 1. What do y'all predict is gonna happen? Oh, y'all are gonna be in for a surprise on Monday. Here's y'all's predictions all over the map. Y'all gonna be in for a surprise on Monday. I will see y'all then.